Have you ever wished you could literally be in two places at once? Like, what if you could be delivering a flawless presentation to your team while simultaneously recording a professional YouTube video and you never even stepped in front of a camera? Well, today we're breaking down a technology that makes this completely possible. Welcome to our deep dive into Google Flow AI avatars. Let's jump right into exactly how this works. Here is our roadmap for today. 1. Meet your digital clone. 2. Access and availability. 3. Creating your AI avatar. 4. Directing your avatar. And finally, 5. Privacy, safety, and deletion. All right, section 1, meet your digital clone. So what exactly is an AI avatar? An AI avatar in Google Flow isn't just some generic cartoon character or a random deepfake. It's actually a digital clone of you. The software seamlessly combines your exact visual and audio likeness, so the avatar looks and speaks just like you do in real life. It's basically a true digital extension of yourself that you can deploy whenever you need it. Moving right along to section 2, access and availability. Who can actually get their hands on this feature right now? Google is rolling this out strategically. Right now, it's available in countries like India, the US, Canada, and Australia. So if you're tuning in from India or North America, great news, you can go ahead and use this right now. But because of different data regulations, it's not yet available in the European Economic Area, the UK, or Switzerland. Always double check your region, but for a lot of you, you're good to go. Now for the fun part, section 3, creating your AI avatar. Let's look at the setup process. You absolutely do not need a fancy Hollywood studio for this. It's really just 3 basic steps. First, you just open Google Flow on your desktop. Second, go up to your profile picture, select Create Avatar, and hit Get Started. Then comes step 3, which is where the magic happens. A QR code pops up on your screen, and you just scan it with your phone or tablet. It's such a brilliant user experience because it smoothly hands the process over to your phone's high-quality camera without you having to mess around transferring massive video files. Once you scan that code, the app walks you through a few really quick interactive tasks. It'll ask you to look straight into the camera, turn your head left and right, give a natural smile, and finally just read a few simple sentences out loud in your normal speaking voice. The whole thing takes just a few moments, and it's actually kind of fun. So, what's the AI actually doing behind the scenes during all of that? It's extracting 4 vital pieces of information. It captures your exact face shape, your unique facial expressions, and the specific tone of your voice. But here's the crucial part. It learns your lip movement. This is the secret sauce that stops your avatar from looking like a stiff, robotic deepfake. By mastering that lip sync, the AI ensures your digital clone moves fluidly and naturally, completely avoiding that creepy, uncanny valley effect. All right, section 4, directing your avatar. It's time to put your clone to work. Once your setup is totally done, you're greeted with a simple text prompt box. It literally just asks you to tell your avatar what to do. No complex coding, no advanced video editing needed. You literally just type out your instructions in plain, everyday language. You are the director here, and this prompt box is how you give instant instructions for your avatar's actions, their wardrobe, and even the exact setting they're standing in. Imagine just typing this exact sentence into the box. Present AI news in a black suit like a news anchor. Instantly, the AI generates a video of your clone wearing a sharp black suit, sitting at a news desk, delivering your script with the polished cadence of a total pro. You didn't have to buy a suit, you didn't have to set up lighting, and you didn't have to shoot multiple takes to get the perfect shot. Or how about this one? Give travel tips while walking on the beach. With just that one sentence, your avatar is suddenly transported to a beautiful shoreline, strolling along the sand, and dynamically delivering your travel content. You can cast yourself in completely different, highly detailed environments, and you never even have to leave your office chair. Or think about this prompt: teach a class in a classroom setting. This is incredibly valuable if you're an educator or an online course creator. Your avatar can stand in front of a digital whiteboard breaking down complex topics. Or just as easily, you could have your avatar standing in a sleek, modern corporate office delivering a business presentation to your team. The AI just adapts perfectly to whatever professional context you need. The practical benefits here are massive. The applications are literally endless. You could run a whole YouTube channel without ever touching a camera. You can effortlessly scale the production of your online courses or send highly personalized business presentations to clients. You can create product demos or news updates in minutes, all with dynamic backgrounds. For creators and professionals, this is a real game changer for scaling your output while keeping your authentic personal presence intact.
Let's transition to a very important topic. Section 5, Privacy, Safety, and Deletion.
Because biometric data is incredibly sensitive, Google's safeguards here are extremely strict. First off, an avatar can only be created with your explicit consent. You physically have to scan that QR code and do the camera tasks yourself. Second, there's absolutely no cloning someone else without their consent. Third, Google runs continuous safety and policy checks on the generated videos to prevent any kind of misuse. And finally, your avatar data is heavily secured. It cannot be shared around the internet via public project links. Your digital identity is completely locked down. And beyond those safety checks, you always retain ultimate control over your likeness. If you ever decide you just don't want your digital clone to exist anymore, deleting it is just as easy as making it. You just open Google Flow, click your profile picture, select Manage Avatar, hit Delete Avatar, and confirm. With just those few clicks, your visual and audio data is permanently wiped from Google servers. You are completely in the driver's seat.
So we've covered the simple setup, the incredible creative power of that director's prompt box, and the strict safety measures keeping your data totally secure. I want to leave you with this final thought. Your digital clone is officially ready to work. It doesn't need sleep, it doesn't need a studio, and it can be anywhere in the world in an instant. So what amazing project are you going to create first?